Sunday Home, a project by Architecture. Architecture is more than just a dwelling. It's a carefully curated sanctuary designed for both physical and psychological well-being. Nestled on a small 175 square meter site, this home is a testament to the power of thoughtful spatial planning. The architects divided the extension into 3 distinct zones: communal, outdoor, and private. Within each zone, 2 further divisions, generous and intimate, create a rich tapestry of experiences. Lofty ceilings and raked beams characterize the generous spaces, while low, flat ceilings define the intimate areas, fostering a sense of enclosure and coziness. This interplay of spaces is further emphasized by the use of color, with warm yellow accents tying together the sunken lounge and sunken bathtub, creating a visual connection across the garden. Separation and connection are central themes in the design. Breeze block walls, while providing privacy, allow for light, breeze, and glimpses of the surrounding environment. North-facing clerestory windows offer abundant natural light while maintaining privacy from neighboring properties. The decision to forego a connecting hallway between the 2 halves of the house is a bold one, but it has significant benefits. It maximizes natural light and ventilation, while also fostering a deeper connection to the outdoor courtyard. Materiality plays a crucial role in the home's character. Natural textures and minimal surface treatments allow the house to evolve over time, developing its own unique patina. Inspired by the works of Jeffrey Bawa and Paul Couch, the architects embraced robust materials, muted palettes, and clear geometries. However, they also incorporated bold splashes of yellow, a nod to the vibrant colors of Louis Barragan. This harmonious blend of influences resulted in a home that is both timeless and inviting. Well, that's it for this video about Sunday Home by Architecture. We hope you enjoyed learning about this unique and innovative project. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos about architecture and design. Thanks for watching.